Are you struggling with live templates not working in Kotlin? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to tackle it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you rely on those handy shortcuts for logging and debugging, only to find they aren't available. It can really throw a wrench in your workflow. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why are live templates not available in Kotlin, especially in Android Studio 3.0 Canary version? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore this issue. So, what's going on here? Live templates are a great feature in Android Studio, but they can sometimes be tricky with Kotlin. Let's break down why this might be happening and how you can fix it. And don't go anywhere. I have a solution that will not only help you get those templates working, but also improve your overall coding experience. To address the issue of live templates not working in Kotlin, the user should first check if the live templates feature is enabled in Android Studio. This can be done by navigating to the settings. Next, the user should verify that they are using the correct version of Android Studio. Live templates for Kotlin may not be available in older versions, so updating to the latest stable version is recommended. After updating, the user should restart Android Studio to ensure that all changes take effect. This step is crucial for loading any new features or templates. Finally, if the live templates are still not functioning, the user can create custom live templates for Kotlin. This allows them to define their own shortcuts for frequently used code snippets. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android Studio was released in 2013? It has come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user combines insights from multiple contributors. They suggest using a template text for logging in Kotlin that simplifies the process. The template is android.util.log d classname methodname $. Contents. This approach is versatile and can be applied at various levels in Kotlin, including top level, statement, class, and expression. This method eliminates the need for tag declarations and allows for variable-ready usage without typing the $sign. For a visual reference, check the provided image link. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests that for the log tag declaration, you need to add define as class in addition to the previous methods mentioned. Here's a pro tip. Regularly check for updates in Android Studio. Keeping your IDE up to date can resolve many issues, including problems with live templates. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to get your live templates working in Kotlin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your coding journey.